Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Cecil Dayan. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the like button and the bell. I don't know where the bell is. It's my first time vlogging. And I haven't uploaded one, so yeah. I am here, you guys, to tell you the steps on how to be a UKRN. Parang medyo parang medyo weird. Nagsasalita ako mag-isa. Anyways, ito na nga, i-explain ko na kung paano maging UKRN. Bali, may 6 days off kasi ako. Mabilis lang tong vlog na to, promise. Sobrang bilis nito, tapos na, bye guys. Hindi, charot. Charot aside. Ito na nga. Unang-una, kailangan mo munang ipasa ang English exam. Ano ba yung English exam? Meron dalawang uri. It can either be IELTS or OET. For IELTS, I always suggest to people who are asking me to take IELTS first, and just you need to take UKVI. UKVI is also IELTS. Anong difference niya sa IELTS academic? The same. Parehong-pareho lang sila, pero mas mahal siya. Yung regular IELTS, as of writing or as of this vlogging, regular IELTS academic, not the general training. You need to take academic because you are professional. I mean, that is what is required for nurses. It's 10,680. Medyo boring tong vlog na to because ito yung mga vlog na tinatawag nilang informative. Informative, charot. Anyways, yun nga, yung academic, 10,680. Yung UKVI, it's 13,885. However, do not fret, guys. Merong mga agency or trust na nagsho-shoulder nito. Even the review, they shoulder. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. I took IELTS 3 times because nung nag-a-apply ako, they don't accept 6.5 pa for writing, and I always get 6.5 for writing. And then, nung nagkaroon na ako ng decision letter, they come up to a decision na they will accept 6.5 na kasi sobrang dami talaga nilang kailangang nurses dito. So guys, kung gusto nyong i-pursue yung UK dream niyo, now is the time. Wag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa, wag na mag-isip-isip pa. I have shared lots of reviews sa group na ginawa ko about sa UK, nursing in the UK, and then nursing life itself. So you can just have a read, and then I said I took IELTS 3 times. I didn't say I failed IELTS 3 times. Kasi for me, it's a matter of how you look at things. Always look into the bright side. Into the bright side we go. That's one of my mantra. And then I took OET. I decided to take OET in when the time that I booked for OET, yung palitan ng Australian dollar, it's so big against the Philippine peso. OET is 587 Australian dollar. I think it's around 24,000 noon, but like right now, ngayon lang, kaka-check ko lang. It varies, guys, depende sa conversion rate. It's 21,690, and I think they have a promotion, ongoing promotion. But I'm not really sure. Just visit the website of OET. I will post the link as well. So, I took IELTS 3 times, paulit-ulit tayo. But I didn't quit because I want to be in UK. And now I'm here in UK. So, I can tell you guys, it's all worth it. Hindi na kayo mahirapan, unlike me, because I shouldered everything first. Anyways, my agency naman offered to shoulder all the fees, but I refused. And I said they can just refund it back here in UK, and they did. And they gave me bonus of 10,000 pesos. They refunded my OET because yun yung ginamit ko for the NMC registration, which is, as you know, 587 Australian dollar. They refunded my CBT. Back then, yung CBT, it's 130 pounds. So, it's around 10,000, 11,000, 12,000 pesos. But since, guys, kailangan nga nila ng nurses dito, kailangan nila tayo dito, nilower na nila yung fee, ginawa na nilang 90 pounds, which is 6,043 something, 6,050. And then, yung CBT, 120 questions lang siya. I don't know for others, pero for me, madali lang siya. I think I revised for 2 weeks, talagang yung seryoso. Kasi, Diyos ko, hindi talaga ako makapag-review nung mga panahon na yun kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. And then, my friend told me na just answer as much questions as possible and you'll be fine, and read the Royal Mars then. But bit by bit lang yung binasa ko. Hindi ko siya binasa lahat kasi it's 1,000 pages. I made sure lang na kapag sorry, parang may alam niyo na. I made sure lang na kapag nag-answer ako, I search on the internet about the rationale of why is that the answer. And then, NMC registration fee, sagot din to ng trust. Wala na kayong poproblemahin. It's 140 pounds. It's 9,400. Why am I here, guys? Because I didn't quit. And I specifically made this vlog para i-encourage kayo na kung gusto nyo or kung gusto nyo talaga, magagawa ng paraan. I know some people, they took IELTS 5 times, but they didn't quit. It's a matter of not quitting. It's a matter of, you know, yung magtsatsaga ka talaga para makuha mo yung gusto mo. It's not an overnight success. Talagang paghihirapan mo, but it's all worth it. I always think before na, like also right now, not just before, na when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you achieve it. Hi Paulo Coelho. So, yun lang guys, kung gusto nyo talaga may paraan, and kung ayaw nyo, sobrang madami talaga kayong pwedeng idahilan. But if you wanna succeed in life, and I can tell you guys, it's all worth it. Lahat ng paghihirap ko, lahat ng pagod ko, kasi ang layo, walang malapit na exam center sa amin. So, yung first ko sa Abu Dhabi ako nag-exam kasi I was working in Abu Dhabi before. So, ayun, bagsak tayo. And then, we took it again sa Philippines. And sa Manila pa, ang layo. Taga-probinsya ang bakla. So, nagbiyahe pa ako ng 4 hours papunta. And then, nagbook ako ng hotel. Sobrang dami kong nagastos. And then, sobrang dami kong pagod. Alam niyo yun. Pero, walang-wala. Compare sa feeling na nandito na ako. I just wanna tell you guys na if you need help, I will post all the links naman. My blog, my group, my Facebook group. And you can all message me if you have any questions. And I hope to see you all here, guys. I made this so I can inspire some people like me na noon nangangarap lang makapunta sa streets of UK. Kasi 'di ba, napapanood natin sa Princess Sarah, Tom Sawyer, Daddy Longlegs, alam mo yun. So, ayun, ngayon, sobrang, I don't know, hindi ko ma-explain. Sobrang overwhelming. And, guys, sobrang saya ng buhay. 6 days straight off ako. Imbes na nagre-review dapat ako for OSCE, eto, nagva-vlog ako. Hindi, parang gusto ko lang kasing malaman nyo, guys, na masaya dito, tahimik yung buhay. Madali lang ang buhay. I will post some things about the work, the salary, the transportation, the rents, the food, everything. Watch this space. Anyway, see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching, and